Hey, this is Arlene. It is January the 7th, 2022, and I'm over here on, Crossroads Parkway next to the Pomona Freeway by the Waba Grill. And you can see there are frequencies emitting within my car. These frequencies are frequencies that burn. They are coming up and burning my buttocks and my rectal area of my car. And I'm also getting targeted with frequencies emitting down by my brake pedal, which you can't see, and also from the steering wheel. So actually this is by 13131 Crossroads Parkway, this area here. And you can see the frequencies inside my car. It's a rental car. And these are frequencies that burn, like my face is already burnt. My eyes are burnt. This started when I was at my cousin's in Hacienda Heights talking. And they just went in for the kill and started burning my buttocks. And I've had hacker problems, so I'm just kind of waiting it out just to see if it changes. I'm using Verizon Wireless.